今天的故事是小明去上学了，大家都看着他。你能看出小明哪里不对吗？
小明的鞋怎么了？
早上，小明起床了。他一看时间，7:45了，太晚了。他说：“
我要迟到了。”
小明很忙，他很快穿上衣服，又穿上裤子，再穿上袜子。他找鞋子，一只鞋在床下，另一只鞋在门边。他说：“
找到了。”
他穿上鞋子，马上跑了。小明跑向学校，他跑得很快。小明家离学校很近。在学校，同学们看到小明来了。一个同学说：“
看他的鞋子。”
另一个同学问：“
他的鞋子怎么了？”
同学们笑了。小明看他的鞋子，一只鞋子是白色的，另一只鞋子是黑色的。他说：“
这只白，那只黑。鞋子不一样。”
他觉得好奇怪啊。小明笑了，说：“
至少我没忘穿裤子。”
同学们大笑。Did you enjoy the story? Have you ever worn something the wrong way or two different shoes? It happens to the best of us. Let's go over some useful words and sentences from the story, so you can remember them and say them yourself. 我们开始吧。早上，小明起床了。In the morning, Xiaoming got out of bed. 早上，小明起床了。Let's try a similar sentence. 晚上，爸爸睡觉了。At night, Dad went to bed. 晚上，爸爸睡觉了。
我要迟到了。I'm going to be late. 我要迟到了。Let's try a similar sentence. 我们要吃饭了。We're going to eat soon. 我们要吃饭了。
他很快穿上衣服。He quickly put on his clothes. 他很快穿上衣服。Let's try a similar sentence. 他很快写完作业。She quickly finished her homework. 他很快写完作业。一只鞋在床下，另一只鞋在门边。One shoe was under the bed, the other by the door. 一只鞋在床下，另一只鞋在门边。Just a quick tip in Mandarin, measure words are used between numbers and nouns. 值 is the measure word for things like shoes, animals, and certain body parts. 一个苹果在桌上，另一个在书包里。One apple is on the table, the other is in the backpack. 一个苹果在桌上，另一个 在书包里，一个苹果在桌上，另一个在书包里。And here, 个 is the general measure word used for most everyday objects.
至少我没忘穿裤子。At least I didn't forget to wear pants. 至少我没忘穿裤子。至少我没忘带书。At least I didn't forget to bring my book. 至少我没忘带书。
That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, leave us a comment and tell us what type of stories you would like to see next. Tap on one of the other stories on the screen and keep going. You're doing great. Just a little each day makes a big difference. 再见，我们下次见。